Hello, sir. So, good day. So, for my accomplishment today on this project is first, this one right here is for the front end. We are using Vue. So, it allows us to have one of its features is this single page application. So, as I navigate through to the other pages, it goes very smoothly without loading the entire content of the page. So, when I click this one, see, it's not loading the entire content. So, next is the option to have components. So, all the repeating sections can be used as a component, meaning we can just import this. We can just import the component to the page that needs that section. So it's actually very useful right here since we most of these parts right here are the cards, tables, and etc. is using the component. So for the backend, we are using Laravel for that. So all the API endpoints is coming from the Laravel. And then for the database is we are using MySQL. So first, what accomplishment on this project right now is for here. This one I added the filter. So the filter took a little bit more time since this filter is I added a query for this API endpoint, which is user by role. So I added a query for the role since it has no filter for that. So when I click right here, it's filtering the super admin. So it shows all the super admin. And when I click student, it should show all the students. So I hit the reset, then it should reset. So this one is actually lacking. So I actually forgot to see that I just checked that it has actually other text select field right here, which is for the branches. So I'm just going to add that one after I'm done with this. So for that, that's all for the page list, and for the now is for the role permission. So as you can see right here, the new UI for card roles are already applied. So there is a bit more change of the details. So we have avatars right here, and then the distinct colors. So the distinct colors is I have actually added it to the theme config.js. So that way, it's much more easier to call out the color. Let's say for the student, so we just call out the student for the class, and then it should show this color. So that way, it's much more easier. And then for this one, I've actually sent a video to our one of our team members just to ask the flow since the design is as you can see here, as you can see right here, when it is click, it should show the sidebar. But for the flow right now, which is the previous role, when I click edit role, it goes to this page. So this page, when I click the add, it should show the available permissions, which is not currently on the super admin. So for that one is I've already asked that one, so I've already sent the video. So and I've got my answer. So the answer is when I click the edit role, it should show the sidebar, but the sidebar is still the same, which is the available roles for the card role right here. So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow, and I have to figure out how to apply this one. Use the sidebar to call out the sidebar to be applied right here on the edit role. And next is after that is I'm going to add a branch filter for that as well. So maybe I'll make another query for that for the user by role and API endpoint. So that is all from accomplishment today, sir. Thank you.